Okay, so welcome back once again, guys. Now in this lecture, I'm going to show you that how you will be able to transfer a data from a SQL system to a Hive. So again, Hive is a data warehousing solution, data warehousing tool, which sits again on top of HDFS system, and Hive will be able to process a data, right? You will be able to create a complete dump inside a Hive, and then Hive will be able to call internally map reduce operation, and then it is going to process our data in a fastest possible manner. So here inside my SQL system, I already have a data, right? I already have a data which I have already shown you. Now what I have to do is that I have to transfer those data into a Hive table, and automatically it should create a Hive table. So let me talk about a Sqoop command for that first, and it's a very easy command, I would say, right? So here, command wise, if I have to transfer a data from Sqoop to Hive, so these are the connections. So let's suppose I am like hitting my customer table, and here, so you have to write Hive import, and then I'm going to pass a parameter called as create Hive table, and Hive table name is retail customer table, and number of mapper is equal to 1. So only this much you have to do. Rest of the things are completely okay, and it is as equivalent to the previous one, right? As equivalent to the previous one. So here, let's try to call this one, and I'm going to paste this command. That's it, and let's run it, and it will be able to basically transfer a data into a Hive table. And yeah, so it has already created a job. My job is running. Let's see. Just wait for some time. Okay, so now my log looks good, by the way. And yeah, so time taken this much second, and successfully I believe it is able to transfer the data. Now I can go into a Hive and I can try to check. So let's go into a Hive. So just try to like write Hive over here, and it is going to give you a Hive terminal. So now we are into a Hive system clear. Okay, so clear is CLS. Okay, not an issue. Let me check the command. So shortcut is basically Control L. I can try to write, and it is going to clear my screen. Now here, so if I'll come and if I'll try to check that show tables, yeah, so tables. So retail customer is a table, and I believe this was the table which we have created, right? Retail customer table we had created. And now if I'll go and check that select star from this RE TIL retail underscore CUSTOMERS customers. So it should show me a data, and yes, it is showing me the data. So successfully from a SQL system, my data was available into a SQL system, and from a SQL system, I'm able to transfer a data into a Hive by what? Just with the help of Sqoop, right? Just with the help of Sqoop services. And command wise, I don't think that any one of you will find any kind of difficulties with respect to the command, right? It's just a Sqoop import that we are trying to do. Nothing much, by the way. So with that, thank you so much, everyone. Take care, and see you again in my next lecture.